How to add a violation during an inspection session. From the equipment list page, click Start Inspection in the grid for the piece of equipment that you are inspecting. This will navigate you to the Add Inspection page. Before adding a violation into JRS, the first thing you'd want to do is add your inspection into the system. Scrolling down to the bottom of the page, you'll see three options. You can save the information on this page, save and add a violation, or you can save and return to the equipment list. Since you found a violation on this piece of equipment, let's click Save and Add Violation. You will automatically be taken to the Add Violation page. You'll see a green toast message appear at the top of the screen stating that your inspection that you entered on the piece of equipment was also saved successfully. To search for a violation, there are two methods to find a violation in the system. Method 1 is to use the Quick Search widget to find a violation. At the top of the Add Violation page, you'll see the Quick Search widget. This tool allows you to type in any keyword related to the issue you observed during an inspection. The system will search the violation templates and return a list of all possible violations that match the keyword you enter. So for example, let's search for safety valve. Click the green search button. The system will display a grid with all violations that relate to safety valves. You can review the results and select the correct violation that best fits what you observed. To select the correct violation, click Select Violation. By selecting the violation template, the system will pre-fill the violation report. The date found will be selected for the observation. The date to be resolved by will autofill based on your jurisdiction's rules. Also, it's important to note that all violations are automatically certificate blocking. The category and subcategory will be selected automatically. Condition observed and code requirements will also be filled out for you based on the violation that you selected and your jurisdiction's predefined language. To save the violation, you can click Save, Save and add another violation, or you can click Save and return to the equipment list. Remember, the equipment list is your home base during the inspection process. Let's add another violation, this time not using the Quick Search widget. Now let's add a second violation using the manual entry on the form. Start by selecting the category from the drop-down menu. Scroll on the page to find the category section. Note that both drop-downs are organized alphabetically for easier navigation. Then determine your subcategory of the violation. By clicking your category and subcategory, this will pre-fill the conditions observed and the code requirement using your jurisdiction's official language and requirements. After you've chosen the correct violation, scroll back to the top of the violation information page to manually select the date found. After selecting the date found, the date to be resolved by will automatically populate based on your jurisdiction's rules. To save the violation, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save, Save and add another violation, or Save and return to the equipment list. Remember, saving the information on this page will not move you from this screen. So let's click Save to see what will happen. A green toast message will appear at the top left corner of the screen indicating that your violation was added. To see both of the violations you added to the equipment, you can return to the Violations tab. We now can see the two violations that we added for this specific piece of equipment. If we return back to the equipment list, you can also see that we now have two open violations for this piece of equipment.